So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. Once you're on this, we're going to click on privacy and security. Then we're going to scroll down and then click on camera. And then make sure that camera access has been enabled. It's turned on. And turn on camera for any application that you want to use it for. Make sure that it's turned on. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Once you're on this, we're going to click on other troubleshooters. Then you want to find the camera troubleshooter. Click on run. And then you want to run this camera troubleshooter. You have to give it consent to run the automated diagnosis. So click on yes, and then just run this. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in run. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in wsreset.exe and click on enter. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on this, we're going to expand cameras. Then you want to find your webcam. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. If the best drivers have already been installed for your device, you want to go back and click on browse my please for drivers. And then click on let me pick from a list. Then you want to install everything that will come up here. So in my case, I've got this one. I'm going to click on this and then click on next and install that. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and then type in camera. You want to right click on it and then click on app settings. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then you want to click on reset and then click on reset again. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to check for updates and do the updates that your computer may have. Now for the last step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Once you're on this, we're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Once the scan's been completed, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.